Welcome to WebShare Academy. I'll show you how to set up a proxy in Brave browser. Let's start. Now, open Brave browser. At the top right corner, click on the menu icon and select Settings. Scroll down and click on System. Under the System section, click on Open your computer's proxy settings. A new window will open for your Windows proxy settings. Scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section. Click on Setup, turn on the Use a Proxy Server option. Now you will need to enter the proxy IP address and port. Simply go to webshare.io. You can get 10 free proxies from WebShare by signing up. On the WebShare dashboard, open the proxy list. Choose a proxy address, left-click on the proxy address field and paste it into the IP address field. Do the same for the port field. Then click Save. After clicking Save, open your Brave browser. You'll see a pop-up asking for your proxy username and password. Enter your WebShare credentials and click Save. Once saved, restart your Brave browser. To confirm everything is working, visit any IP checker website. You'll see your new IP address and location, which means your proxy is successfully connected. That's it! You've successfully set up a proxy in Brave browser. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. We'll help you out.